guys, welcome back to Melissa is Lit. And today, I'm going to be mixing my two slimes together. So, I'm not doing it in my room, I'm doing it in my living room. Sorry guys, I'll be back. Sorry. But before we get into this video, I like this lighting so much. Please like and subscribe and press that button so you'll be notified every time I make a video. I really don't want y'all to miss out on any of my videos. But I want to show you I threw away some of my old slimes because they were stinky for some reason. I had them over 2 years. No, I'm gonna lie. Over 5 months. No, over 1 month, which is 2 months. I've had those slimes for 2 months. So I only have 2 slimes left. Or 3. Yeah, I have 3 slimes left. But the other one is real sticky. So the first slime that I have is a pink nail polish butter slime. And then the second one is when my hair got stuck in this slime. So we're gonna go and mix these slimes together.
Things were looking up. I mean, he was saying a therapist, and he was excited because he was getting into martial arts and everything, and he loved that. What the parents are telling us is not really consistent with the kid who was going to kill himself. PJ wouldn't kill himself, but who would kill him, and why? The information from his method himself, and Jeff.
First slime.
In the Middle Ages, warriors referred to that spot in the head as Heaven's Gate.
The hair slime.
Into the base of someone's skull, you would drive it into the medulla and the spinal cord, causing instantaneous death. Well, that's suicide. look at the wound, and it's wrong. It's completely wrong. Generally, a strong hand is the hand used for the firearm.
It looks gray.
So we would have
It looks blue, but it's actually gray
the bullet's point of entry. Pressure contact will
with rainbow foam beads.
very emotionally.
And as you can see,
There is stippling and tattooing, which are unburned particles of powder and debris.
and as you can see, there's hair in it.
The hair.
I can't see it. Hold on. Let me see if I can find the hair. Oh, look, there's the hair. That's my hair. Can you see it? Something to go. Sorry. That's it. There it is. Y'all can see right there. Okay. I can't see it, but there's hair in it. Where is it? Found some hair. Let's see if y'all can see that. Anyway, it's there. So. I love these slimes very much. This is my second favorite. This is my second favorite. And this is my first. And this is my first favorite.
He describes Adam as a loner who doesn't really associate with anybody. It was surprising to him
So I'm gonna set that to the side.
PJ, and even more surprising that he knew Jeff Simpson.
Now that you mention it, Jeff, he's been acting a little different lately, but nothing that has concerned me. Maybe he was keeping a little more to himself. Saw him walking
Come on.
His explanation
I live my life.
Would you mind if I
Hey, wait, how did I do that? Girl,
I want to talk to some more people.
yeah.
So we bring in some kids that know him.
as Kendall speaks with his classmates, a different
And now it's flat. Rest in peace, pink slime. I love this slime. Look at this slime. This slime is actually cold. So. Oh, maybe I should have thought this through. No! No! Get off of the pink slime. Oh my gosh. That's crazy. That's okay. Oh, I can't wait to see what is going to happen. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Oh, look at this slime. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. It looks ugly in the camera. Oh yeah, there you go. You see that? Oh my gosh. I actually love this. I love this so much. Oh, it's turning pink or purple. I hope this is a galaxy slime. I really do. Oh, look, it's turning purple. Look at that. I actually miss my pink slime, but this is much better.
So now we know that this is not a suicide.
It's starting to turn purple.
We know that Jeff and Adam
It's still pink, but it is trying to turn purple. Look, Mommy.
even bigger problem.
See, I mixed the pink slime with the gray slime, and this is how it turned out.
Their satanic cults and sacrifice.
Let me see if I can go get my other one.
deity in the name of Satan. You see people sacrificing animals. As even human sacrifice is not a real possibility.
I lied. Actually, I have 4 slimes. This is the one that I told you that was sticky. See?
So we want to talk to
Look at it.
somebody who's the most knowledgeable about Jeff.
It's real pretty.
As it relates to the supposed
I'm supposed to
satanic cult that he has become a member of.
Pretty,
Everyone says
but it's sticky.
Gerald is a guy that
Look at that.
he's joined Jeff's closest buddies.
We're gonna set this up to the side right here.
I guess it got to a point where you can't even carry on a conversation with him. You know, he always has to bring up something about guns or death. What do you think they're doing about their cult? Yeah, we would be hanging out.
It's a very jiggly slime. See?
Bring up something weird, satanic rituals, or maybe join the satanic cult.
It's not pokeable at all.
No, I don't think I'm supposed to.
It looks like, in the camera, it looks dark blue, but it's actually a baby blue. Oh, I don't like it. Hold on, let me see. Whoa. There you go. Nope, still dark. It's okay. It doesn't crunch whenever it makes a bubble. But I still love the slime. Look at that. Ready? It doesn't crunch.
He's already sacrificed animals.
It's very sticky. Well, not that sticky, but sticky. Oh, look at that, Mommy. Mom, look at that big bubble. That's so cool. Let's see if this one will crunch. Oh, it crunched a little bit. I just couldn't hear it. Okay, now we're gonna mix these slimes in. Wait, I want to set this off to the side. Let's move this over. I almost got stuck in my hair. Let's set this one off to the side. Sticky. What? Stickering. I'm gonna introduce the other one. So, this is 2 slimes. This is a brown slime. See guys, a brown. It's not that stretchy, but it's a brown slime. I like it. So, oh my gosh. So I'm gonna set that one off to the side. And then this one is I think a black slime. I think it's a black slime. I'm not really sure. It's like clay in it. See? It's not stretchy at all. And I actually got this in a slime package.
All it takes is one kid with a spray can of paint to go and puts a 5-point pentagram on a wall in an abandoned building, and the roofer is underway.
there. Which one won the contest? Anything for you guys to decide. Bro, there's people everywhere. Look. No way. You want to jump a tower? It's not going in there? No, I'll jump right now. Oh! And one's out. And one's out. Alright.
It's still stretchy. Let's see if we'll pick up all the. Oh look, picking up all the glitter. That's cool. Okay. There we go. So we're gonna mix this one in and this one in.
If they're hard, it's gonna make it harder.
These are not hard. These aren't hard at all. See? Oh my gosh. There we go. Here's the blue one. Oh my gosh. I don't know what is going to take over. I think blue is going to take over. This is so crazy. And it feels so weird. Oh my gosh. It's so sticky. Oh my gosh. I think it's going to turn purple. I definitely think it's going to turn purple. This is so insane. Look at that. Look at that. That's crazy. Oh my gosh, this feels so weird. You don't know how weird this feels. Look at this.
Only up to us three now. What? Alright, dude. Only up to us three now. Wait, how do you go back? For the challenge, you gotta have it. We need money.
It's stiff now, guys. Like, I really cannot poke it. Only a little bit, but that's it. Look at this. Hold on, guys. I'll be back. Guys, look how I did it. Look. Yeah. So cool. Ah! So cool. I'm going to put some of this in. That will help. Ugh. My camera will not stay still. This will definitely help the slime. It'll make it a little bit more stretchy. Or it'll make it more stiff. No. This is insane, guys. Look how stiff this is. This is crazy. I'm putting it back up in this container. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe and press that bell button so you'll be notified every time I make a video. Bye, guys.